excuse all of you for our weekend recess period, with the desire that this will allow each of you to become refreshed so that you can return and allow for full deliberation, if that's possible, when we return Monday morning. So we're going to need someone to go back there and collect all of those things that we had yesterday. We also, believe it or not, today is a big day for the tax man. Jury service for you, we've got to require you to fill out some forms for tax purposes because of the large money we give you for jury service. The clerk has those. How long does it take to fill those out, or it's just something they sign? Okay, what we'll do, is any objection with having the sheriff place this in the middle of the table in the jury room? These are the forms. It's the state AOC form FS9. And what we'll do is have these placed in the table in the jury room, and Mr. Sheriff, you can place this in the middle of the table in the jury room. If y'all fill those out in the jury room, and then once you fill those out, you can come in and give them to the clerk and leave. During our weekend recess period, it's the duty of all of you not to talk among yourselves about this case. It's your duty not to talk to the parties, the witnesses, or the lawyers about anything at all. It's your further duty not to talk to anyone else, to allow anyone else to talk with you, to say anything in your presence about this case. If anyone communicates with you in any way, you need to let the sheriff know about it when you come in. Don't do any individual research or investigation on your own about any issue touching on this trial. Avoid reading, watching, listening to accounts of this trial if there are any. And just be mindful of that. So what we're going to do is, Mr. Young, if you would collect all of those things in that bag, together with the verdict sheet, you can deliver that to the clerk when you give her that statement. Yes, sir. Actually, we probably ought to be out here so that there won't be any problem. We're not going to look into what you're doing at all. Okay, and then it may be that we're asking you to do a lot of stuff this morning. When you come in, if you would put your notes in your seat, and that way that'll help the sheriff. And we'll sit right here while y'all do that and take whatever time you need. That's not a problem. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'll excuse you to the jury room. Once you've done those things, you're free to leave until Monday morning at 9:30. Thank you. I'm going to bring them in after these people have left. Anything directly to the defendant? Yes, sir. Mr. Sheriff, if y'all want to invite those alternate jurors to come back in.